Good morning or good evening, guys, wherever you are in this world. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Duolingo sound problem easy and quick. Let's start. So, go open the settings of your device as the first step. Click on Apps option. Search for Duolingo. Click on Duolingo like this. So, scroll down this list. Click Add Storage option. Click Clear Cache after that. Click Force Stop in the corner of the screen when you're back here. Go to Play Store, update Duolingo, restart your phone, and that's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next video.